everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel, and it feels so good to sit down again and do a YouTube video. It's been I feel like it's been a while, even though the last time I uploaded was a week ago. But yeah, I'm gonna apologize for the noises that you might hear throughout this video. They're repairing something in our garage, and the kids, my neighbor's kids just got home from school and playing, so that's why you can hear them. It's a ton of products. So I'm gonna start off with the one that's literally screaming at my face, and that is these the Nature Public Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Mists. I still have like maybe 2 bottles of this. This one really helped at calming my skin. My skin for 2018 was just really bad. I was just going through a lot of hormonal acne, which I thought I left when I was like, I don't know, 18 or stuff like that. Don't use this as like a normal kind of spritzy or like a mist. I do like to use this as a toner. So what I like to do is place it at the back of my hand, at the palms. I don't use any cotton pad and just do this all over my face, and it just really helps at soothing, calming down my skin. So I love this, and I would still continue to use it for 2019. So since we're talking about that, I have the Nature Public Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Mist. Now I do love this as a wash off mask, and yeah, when my skin is irritated, it has a lot of bumps. This is what I like to use, especially when I use an eye cream that gives me milias. I like to use this as well. It really helps with rough and bumpy skin. And yeah, I don't use this as like a moisturizer. Well, I do use it as a moisturizer in the mornings, and then I put on sunscreen, but usually at night I use this as a wash off mask. I put it on for 15 minutes and I rinse it off, and yeah, it really helps. So I have maybe 2 more tubs of this one. I'm halfway through of my second one, and I have a backup for my third one. So still a favorite of mine. It took me a while to like love this aloe vera gel. For the longest time I was like, it doesn't really work, but really like this. So for removing my makeup, for the longest time oh wait, look, I have another bottle of the Nature Public one, so you guys could say I loved it for 2018. So the first one is the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. This one is my favorite cleansing water. I still use it from time to time, but lately I'm in love with cleansing balms. That's why I've been using cleansing balms more, but I always have a like stock of this one just in case I run off a cleansing balm, because cleansing balms are more expensive. But I love this. It's gentle on the skin and removes every bit of my makeup, and it's really nice. It is the Heimish All Clean Balm. I actually really love this. Didn't irritate my skin. It melts off makeup really nicely. I will repurchase it because I feel like even though it's just a cleansing balm or something that I use to remove my makeup, I feel like it also helped with my skin. So yeah, and also you can use this over your eyes. It doesn't really irritate my eyes, so I really like it. So this one, which sadly worked for me for the longest time, ever since I kind of had a good skincare routine since I was 15, and then I started using it again because I was looking for a new toner. Hindi na siya nag-work. So ito yung Celeteque alcohol-free toner. I don't know if this is like a brand available in other countries. I don't know if this is a brand in the Philippines or like exclusive only in the Philippines. Looks like it. It's manufactured in the Philippines, so I guess this is a Philippine brand. So Celeteque, madami siyang like branches ng types of skincare skin concerns. So they have for sun care, sun damage, acne prone skin, hydration, normal skin. This is under the hydration line. This is the alcohol free toner with Witch Hazel. This one worked for me for the longest time because it's very gentle, but I don't know what it is when I started using it again. I have like another bottle of this one. It's like up to here. I tried to give it another shot. I don't know why, but my skin got irritated with it. My skin kind of felt prickly after I put it, so I don't know what happened. Did they reformulate? But sadly this one didn't work for me. So so the first one is also same with the Celeteque. I've used it for years, and it's like one of like my skincare routine for years. And right now, I mean, it's not that it doesn't work. I feel like it's not as effective as it used to be, and it's just maybe tumatanda ka na lang talaga. As in, the Human Nature Nourishing facial wash. I love this and I would recommend it to people who have sensitive skin or just looking for a basic cleanser. I really like this. It's mild and gentle, and it doesn't strip the natural oils in my skin, and I just loved it for the longest time. And then I started using it again. I don't know why it's not working the way it used to. I feel like I don't know, my skin, sometimes my skin loves it, sometimes my skin is irritated to it. It's more that my skin gets irritated by it, so I don't know what happened. So sadly, I'm saying goodbye to this after 6 years of using it. So I don't know what happened. Maybe it's just your skin's aging, and yeah. Skin Potions Tomato Serum. I actually went through a bottle and a half. I still have one there. This one really helps at brightening up my skin. My skin definitely, or like my acne scars, lightened a bit, but it's not something that worked for me on the long run. I feel like it worked for quite some time, and I loved this for quite some time, but I feel like the results are not as great anymore as I continued using it. I feel like it only worked for a short time. I know a lot of people love this, and I've read a ton of reviews of people loving it. Sadly, hindi siya nag-work ng matagalan. So, Skin Potion Snow Berry Sleeping Mask. Bakit isa na lang to? I remember going through, maybe, I think the other one's there. Oh no, I put lotion on it in one of these containers. I've gone through 2 tubs of this one. This one is like the first kind of moisturizer that kind of tinanggal niya yung spot treatments ko. Diba usually, for me, after I put on my moisturizer, ilalagay ko yung spot treatments ko for my pimples. Naging parang moisturizer and spot treatment in one siya. So, ginagamit ko siya to lighten up my pimples, and also ginagamit ko siya as a moisturizer in the morning kasi matte yung finish niya. Tsaka feeling ko parang nasi-shield niya yung skin ko sa lahat ng masamang sa air. So, parang feeling ko napaprotect niya talaga yung skin ko, and I don't feel as guilty as putting on makeup on top of pimples kasi nga nahi-heal niya to. Pero as the time went on, I feel like my skin changed as it healed. Mas naging normal combination siya. It's not as oily. So, using this alone will not help with moisturizing my skin. So, that's the reason why I stopped using this one. Not because it stopped working. Tinigil ko lang siya just because I feel like my skin needed something else. And it's the Apple Honey Cream. It's their Apple Cider Vinegar Cream. Apple Cider Vinegar Creams were a big part of my 2018. I mentioned it in my skincare favorites for 2018. Sobrang love ko sila. Kasi ito, para siyang snowberry cream. Yung moisturizer siya, tsaka spot treatment. Pero it adds more moisture to my skin. So will I repurchase this one? Yes and no. Yes in a way because I did enjoy using this, but then no kasi I found something that works the same, but I like that texture more than this one. Kasi ito, minsan, may times na maganda yung pag-sink in niya sa skin ko, may times na hindi maganda yung pag-sink in niya. So, minsan papalit-palit siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa kanya, but yun. So, the Apple Cider Vinegar Creams, ito yung pumalit sa Skin Potions. Actually, I tried this one first and then I wanted to try the Skin Potions one. Mas gusto ko yung texture nitong Apple Cider Vinegar Cream. This is the current moisturizer I'm using as well. Ano siya, may pagka-cream na may pagka-oily yung, parang it's like a mix of that without being heavy on your skin. And I love the smell. It has a cooling sensation to it. Although, yung second tub ko nito, medyo hindi consistent yung hindi naman sobrang iba, pero iba yung amoy niya. Hindi, parang pareho, pero may slight difference. Tapos, yung texture, medyo iba ng konti. Medyo na-off ako, pero para bumalik din sa normal. So, ayun, I guess that's the thing with like homegrown brands. So, ayun. Pero, nonetheless, it still works sa skin. Next is, sobrang kadiri na ng itsura. I'm so sorry. Feeling ko may isa pa akong bote nito Anyari. Hindi. Joke. Ito. The Ordinary 100% Organic Cold Pressed Rosehip Seed Oil. This is the second like facial oil na nagustuhan ko. Kasi I hate oils. They're so heavy on the skin. And hindi ko talaga gusto yung feeling. It sinks really nicely sa skin. This oil is one of the main products that helped with my dark spots. Ever since I started using this one, in tandem with the current serum or / essence I'm using, they work really well together. Sobrang nag-work to sa dark spots ko, guys. As in, Sometimes I also use this alone, like standalone moisturizer, and it still works. Ang daming benefits ng Rosehip seed oil, so highly recommend this. If you are acne prone, oily skin, if you're looking for a oil and you want to venture into oils, highly recommend the Ordinary cold pressed Rosehip seed oil. The Laneige lip sleeping mask, ito yung vanilla. I'm currently using the berry one. Super favorite ko to. Mahal to guys. This is around $18. So medyo steep siya para sa lip balm. Pero I like to take good care of my lips, and ever since I started using this one, sobrang conditioned yung lips ko. Kahit hindi ako mag-lip balm prior to putting on lipstick, hindi ganun ka-dry or hindi nagsisink into like the dry areas and stuff like that. So, ayun. Of course, you have to like drink water, ganun. Pero this one, I feel like is such an investment if you're looking for a really good lip mask or a lip balm for your lips. Super recommend. Next would be the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence. I've gone through multiple bottles of this one. I started using this one while I was in college. It's the first sunscreen that didn't smell too much like sunscreen. It didn't feel heavy. Hindi siya sticky. It's a very light sunscreen. I've used this. I just haven't repurchased it in a while, mainly because I still have a few sunscreens to go through. Finally, makeup. I don't have a lot, but the first one is the Saem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. There's anything that I hit pan on or run out of quickly, it's either concealer, bronzer, surprisingly, and powders. Those are the ones that I go through a lot. So this is the Saem Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. As I said, I was struggling with my skin last year, so I was using a lot of concealers, and you know, for me, I don't really use concealers. When my skin was clear, I just use foundation, and if I need more coverage, I just put it on the areas that I need more coverage. But now last year I relied heavily on this one. This is, kahit sobrang liit yan guys, small but terrible tong concealer nito. It really covers even your darkest secrets. So, ayun, lahat ng malas mo sa mukha, matatakpan nito. And hindi siya cakey. Although, if you're gonna use it on bare skin, highly recommend na maglagay kayo ng primer or something to smooth out your skin, kasi it tends to like accentuate the dry patches on your skin or your pores, yung ganun, or texture. So, but coverage-wise, sobrang ganda to. Tsaka super light din to sa face. Hindi mo siya masyado mararamdaman, but still offers great coverage. So, this is the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. Alam nyo guys, struggle ako ngayon maghanap ng magandang loose powder ulit. I have the Laura Mercier, I like it. Then may isa pa akong gustong powder. Yung sa Detail Makeover na Mineral Loose Powder, that's what I'm using today. Gusto ko rin siya. I feel like I like it. Pero, pagdating sa oil control, tsaka pag sa set talaga ng makeup, ito pa rin yung bet ko. Kahit amoy ano siya. Sobrang tapang na amoy niya. Parang siyang amoy bulaklakin, hindi mo maintindihan. So, pumasok siya sa ilong ko, guys. Last product is a finishing spray. This is the Nichido Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Oil-free, waveless, and long-wearing. To be honest, yung itong bottle na to, hindi maganda yung spritz. As in, parang nahuhulog lang yung tubig sa mukha nyo guys. But the newer bottle, which I also have, mas finer yung mist niya. So, mas gusto ko yung mist nun. As in, this one actually helps at keeping my makeup on and keeping my face oil-free. So, medyo natuwa ako dito guys. So, I will do a review for this one. Pero, super ganda nito. And this is 288 pesos. And this is like 60 ml. So, if you're looking for a good makeup, it's not the best, but it works. So, ayun. Nichido Matte Finish Setting Spray. Natapos rin tayo. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my video. Product Empties of 2018. Or kung ano man itatitle ko dito. Yeah, hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in my next video.